I wanted to understand for the people who are very new or who are into networking, who are developers, or who are not associated with cloud security but wish to move to cloud security. What are your suggestions? What they should be doing? What are the items they should be working on to move into cloud?
Okay. Um, so we have a huge population. We have a huge population of engineers, and rather than, I would say that from a technology point of view, we dominate the world. Um, the best way to learn cloud is by start doing experimentation with cloud. Start playing with it. The best way is to sign up for any cloud service provider. Their free tier and their credits being given. Start experimenting with those first. Second is option is there are a lot of trainings which is available like Portswigger and all. Uh, these are available free of cost. I would not advise anyone to go for any kind of a paid courses, but rather than there's a lot of free resources which are available. So that is one. Second thing is a programming language. Um, if you're deciding in 2023 that what kind of a programming language I should invest in, um, one is for security. We say Python. Uh, Python has a little easier, you know, ramp up time, but there's another one which I would like to call out as Rust. Um, if you notice that a lot of our services are also being built on Rust, and so that's these are two programming languages which you probably someone who want to enter into security want to spend time on Python scripting and Rust. Um, the other aspect is the lot of security process, and security is not only about, for I just want to clarify this, security is not only about uh, bug bounty or hacking a system. uh, there is a lot of uh, so there is a tech as well as non-tech role in security as well. First of all, I want to break that there is a sales roles as well. There is a partner management role as well in security where you understand overall security. However, you don't need to be a hands-on on system. So when somebody hears security, it's not always associated with a technical role. So there are also non-tech role in security. That's one. Second point is that uh, s- pick up one particular CSP and start investing into and start looking into what all security controls for a particular simple service are. That's the way somebody will build. But then people who are already in a career, who are already like 2 year 4 year 5 years already there, and they want to switch to if you want to switch to you already have an experience probably with application, and you're already in IT. Threat modeling is a great exercise to understand different aspects of security. Then there is also other aspect is a compliance side, which also, while it does not require a hands-on skill to be a compliance specialist, that's more around what kind of a controls a particular compliance, let's say RBI or SEBI compliance is asking for, and how that is being met. So somebody need to know the controls, but don't need to be practiced. So there are different set of people who would like to be in security, but some people may not want to be hands-on onto it. So there are different career path first. Second is now one is a threat modeling, which is a great exercise for everyone. I would say that's a first exercise for anyone who's getting into security to start understanding those. Um, the other aspect is if you look around yourself, everything it's mhm, I'll give an example that so whenever I join any new office or I go to any new office building, I always make sure that I'll go and see if I can go to the roof. I can see if at the basement I can enter through the basement if there is no security there. What are the mechanism by which I can actually um, get inside the office? Now, without actually getting noticed. So, or without punching my card, if is it possible or not? What all is possible? So we have to start thinking from that perspective, and it's once you start thinking about it, it becomes easy. Uh, we all have access to our phones and different websites and all. So start doing something like try hack me, hack the box. These are great platform to learn about security and their construct. One thing which I do on regular basis is I read a lot of security incident reports. So these are a couple of mechanisms by which we align, and I just want to call out that hey, if you think that hey, you're not a great fit, security is a great place for very different kind of mindsets as well. So security is a great place for people who often find themselves as a misfit in all other ways, and I've seen that happening from the perspective of you come from a different identity, different background, because what security need is a different context and understanding. So it's a great place for anyone who probably feel left out, um, whatever the settings you are in. So yep. So there's a couple of things I want to call out that hey, yep, and we are looking for more and more people in security. Yep.
Yeah, I agree with you. And there are some really, really great insights, especially security is beyond bug bounty and just thinking that these are fancy hackers. No, so hackers don't always wear those hoodies, the black
Yeah.
hoodies, and work out of the basement or garage. It's much more than that.
True.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Lalit, for sharing wonderful insight. It was really, really amazing discussion, and we can go on and on for this discussion for hours.
True. Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah, thank you. And I am going to share all the resources that you've mentioned in the comment section. And anyone who has any questions for Lalit, you can reach out to him or you can just post it in the comment section. We would love to answer those questions. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining the session today. And thank you, Lalit, for agreeing to be part of it. It was wonderful to have you here.
Thank you, Vanna, and thank you all the listeners or people who will watch it over YouTube. Thank you.
Thank you.